Hello friends, a very warm welcome to India's #1 astrology channel AstroSage, and I am Winnie Arora, your astrologer and tarot reader, and I have brought to you Chinese horoscope 2021. So let's figure out what's Chinese horoscope holding on for all the Chinese zodiac. So Chinese horoscope 2021 reveals the predictions based on Chinese astrology for Chinese zodiac signs. The year 2021 is the year of metal ox and begins from February 12. Out of the 12 Chinese zodiac signs, Ox is listed the second and represents the earth branch of birth year Chao. It signifies the yin element and various characteristic traits such as honesty, intelligence, and industriousness. The year of the Ox 2021 predicts working hard and fulfilling responsibility for the Chinese zodiac natives. In the year of the Metal Ox, you must remain practical in your approach and will witness a steady progress in the projects initiated in the preceding year. Chinese horoscope 2021 reveals favorable results in the field of agriculture. You should work towards establishing a peaceful relationship with their family members and eliminating misunderstandings and doubts. The year of the ox fares well for roosters and monkeys, and things can get quite complicated for oxen and sheep. Chinese horoscope 2021 for our first Chinese zodiac rat is 2021 in terms of finance seems to be easygoing since money made last year by rat Chinese zodiac natives will help them pass through difficult times. Since they are not too fond of hard work, the bank balance they have accumulated will assist them in fulfilling their needs. On the other hand, the year of the middle ox will be more stressful and filled with responsibilities, mostly professional. However, Chinese astrology represents rat as a team player, where they come forward and shoulder the burden equally, thereby incurring their indirect advantages. Chinese horoscope 2021 predicts a happy and content Chinese New Year 2021 for our rat natives. Now moving on to our next sign, Chinese horoscope 2021 for Ox Chinese zodiac. Horoscope 2021 for Chinese zodiac Ox reveals a productive and mentally empowering year filled with positivity. In the year, Ox natives will attain authority within their workspace. Chances of them getting a promotion to higher designation are higher, which will bless them with professional control and dominance. Their hard work will pay off and they will be recognized for their work and efforts by their colleagues and seniors. Ox Chinese zodiac natives can initiate a new partnership, business, or marital in the year 2021, since prospect seems auspicious and fruitful. Therefore, singles or those who are in committed relationship can think of taking the step ahead and get married, or those who are married can plan to start a family. There will be several family events throughout 2021. On the downside, plans made by Ox natives can get delayed due to some unexpected reasons such as tragic events or travel plans. So Chinese horoscope 2021 for our next zodiac sign, Tiger. Tiger Chinese horoscope 2021 reveals unfavorable conditions and occurrences for Tiger Chinese zodiac natives. Hence, they are required not to take any risk or start anything new, business venture or project, since the results don't seem to be favorable. This year, Tiger natives will find one or the other obstacles lying on their way towards achieving their goals, which can brew frustrations within them. Their plans can get blocked by an authoritative figure, which can exhaust them mentally. Their stubborn nature can lead to misunderstandings and arguments. Therefore, keeping their impatient attitude in check is required throughout the new year. Also, these natives are required to control their anger and maintain a peaceful approach in adverse situations. Not taking such necessary actions can prove to be a major loss for them. However, this time will pass. Chinese horoscope 2021 for Rabbit Chinese zodiac. Rabbit horoscope 2021 as per Chinese astrology reveals that rabbit natives will be able to make it productively without any consequences given they act diplomatically and tactfully. There can be mental issues such as anxiety or depression due to separation from a close one. Also, these issues can result in physical trouble as well, such as headache, insomnia, etc. Hence, they are required to eat well, meditate, and remain calm. Performing breathing exercises can help them manage their anxiety well. They may feel burdened due to unrealistic expectations expectations of others, which can also generate frustration. Efforts that bear no fruit will be a major disappointment for rabid Chinese zodiac natives in the year of Ox. Hence, it is required for them to remain calm, not really introduce any major changes in their life, even though with long planning period they will bear fruitful results. Now moving on to the next Chinese zodiac, that is Dragon. Dragon Chinese zodiac natives have a strong personality and are capable of taking powerful decisions for their own welfare. They don't let anyone dominate them in the year of the Ox 2021 and will successfully stand against anyone trying to boss them. They will make a steady progress. However, numerous troubles and conflicts surrounding their path may slow them down. Nevertheless, their hard work and persistence will lead them towards success. On the other hand, it seems necessary for the Dragon natives to work hard to attain what they desire. Just dreaming about luxuries won't do any good to them. In order to achieve success, dragons must fulfill their responsibilities well and take on a methodical approach. Moving on to our next Chinese zodiac sign, that is Snake. Snake Chinese horoscope 2021 based on Chinese astrology reveals the lazy and procrastinative attitude of Snake Chinese zodiac natives when it comes to working hard in the year of Ox. Throughout the year, there will be several obstacles in the way of Snake, and people around them will challenge their decisions, which can provoke them at times. It is necessary for the Snake natives to move practically and act accordingly. However, they are required to put a full stop to their unreasonable mind and compromise with the situation. Objectively speaking, the snakes must remain patient and quiet till the year end. Now, moving on to our next Chinese zodiac sign, that is Horse Chinese zodiac. Year of the Ox 2021 for Horse Chinese zodiac is romantically unfavorable as per Chinese horoscope 2021 predictions. There are chances of huge arguments and disagreements between horses and their partners, which can further deteriorate the situation in their love life. In such a case, it would be better for horses who are in a relationship or married to communicate openly and share out your thoughts and feelings clearly. Resolving the matters clearly and directly in the key to approach towards good relationships. From the business point of view, the year of the middle ox seems favorable, but only if horses are willing to work really hard and put their best of the efforts. Overall, 2021 proves to be much smoother than the previous year, that is 2020. There are chances of financial gains, but the origin of conflicts must be there, which seems to be either with your subordinates or your children. Moving on to our next sign, that is Chinese horoscope 2021 for Sheep Chinese zodiac. Chinese horoscope 2021 is based on the elements of Chinese astrology and predicts a complicated year for Sheep Chinese zodiac. The year of the Ox 2021 will bring itself financial challenges, conflicts in the relationship, and misunderstandings in family and professional life. Sheep natives will get stuck in the monotonous routine, which will hinder their growth and prevent them from grabbing onto new opportunities. They need to rejuvenate their strategy and plan things in advance for a proper and systematic execution. Sheep natives will be surrounded by family and friends, and related responsibilities will burden them. This can affect their financial status since they will be required to spend money on their necessities. To balance out the expenses, they must save a considerable amount and use the money only when required. Chinese horoscope 2021 for Monkeys Chinese zodiac. In the year of the Ox 2021, Monkey Chinese zodiac natives will be able to lead a normal life. However, chances of earning profits and comforts may be limited. In the Chinese year 2021, Chinese horoscope 2021 for monkeys predicts the arrival of several difficulties in the life of monkeys, to which they will have to limit their ambition and settle for what's available or less. There are chances of you losing your personal belongings, which is why you're required to take care of them while traveling or when you are going out. Your love and family life will remain smooth in this period. The monkey natives will suffer from some chronic disease. They must eat well and exercise for a healthy routine. Consistency and persistence are the keys to their success in the year of middle ox. Moving on to our next Chinese zodiac, that is Rooster. The year of the middle ox will be splendid for Rooster Chinese zodiac natives since they will remain in their zone and shine bright with hard work and efforts. Since the last year was a bit challenging for them, they will be able to regain their lost courage with the help of their friends and come forward to the limelight. some good news will be heard from the family side, and there could be opportunities of traveling. Going on a journey can also incur profitable returns, and happiness will prevail in their life. However, responsibilities can increase during this duration, which can sometimes be more than what they can handle. However, their steady behavior and ability to deliver anything on time will help them big time. In this time period, they must refrain from using any sharp object. Moving on to our next Chinese zodiac sign, that is Dog. The Chinese astrology for the year of Ox 2021 predicts that Dog Chinese zodiac natives may plan several revolutionary ideas and plot risky strategies when things aren't going the right way. 2021 proves to be the year of uncertainties and misconceptions, which may prove to be unfavorable. Therefore, minor problems can upset them frequently. During this time, they must avoid any type of confrontations or making impulsive decisions. Some unwanted financial expenses can come in the way, which can severely affect the budget of the Chinese zodiac. In the professional area, they will present some innovative concepts in front of their seniors. However, several criticisms and challenges will be presented as well. Maintaining your calm is the key to success, and listening to the feedback with an open-minded seems to be a favorable step. Moving on to our next Chinese zodiac, which is our last Chinese zodiac sign, that is for Pig. In the year of the Metal Oaks, the Pig natives will become adaptive to the prevailing conditions and mold themselves accordingly. A strong sense of work ethic will develop within them. However, becoming too critical because of it can prove to be a major disadvantage for them, since their colleagues may find it displeasing. Several career-related opportunities will come in their path in 2021. Those who are into business will see tremendous growth. However, taking chances can pay off really well, since such actions will result productively for Pig natives. This year, they are more likely to meet new people and expand their friendly circle, who will prove to be trustworthy and reliable. Since Pigs will be too immersed in their professional life, family or marital problems are likely to arise. In such a case, they must resort to their non-violence and control their aggressive behavior. So friends, we hope that you like our video on Chinese horoscope 2021, and we wish you a happy Chinese New Year ahead. All the best for the next year with lot of greetings and wishes. We end our video here, and we hope you liked our video. So please subscribe our channel and put likes to our video so that we can come up with more creative ideas for you. And if you have any problem in your personal life and you would like to go for a professional session, then you can call us on AstroSage Varna. Yes friends, we are available to serve you, to help you out on Varna. Thank you.